So we are taking off the clutch basket. We just took off the cover.
And all the clutch plates. How many plates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plates. This is a problem. I replaced these recently, and they didn't know how many clutch plates I had. Because some of them are 7, some are 8, some of them are 6, depending what year you have.
Yeah, and then this goes into the hole, comes out. Now we're gonna take off maybe this bolt here, and there's a ball behind it we have to take out too.
Okay, we have a 30mm. You have the clutch out. Put a belt around the inner clutch basket.
Bingo!
Kill it. Look at this. This is interesting. Filming? There's a washer set right in on that once I took this out, and there's a marking that says outside. This thing fell out, so I don't know what outside is. I assume that it's probably outside.
That's the lock washer.
Oh, you think out, yeah.
There's
Wait, hold on. There's another washer in between.
on the back
The
side.
outer clutch basket on the back of it. And then we have another washer with like a roller washer. So inside, on the front side of that, is a roller washer. And then there's this guy's made it up inside there.
Mm-hmm.
We got, okay, so
Spacers.
we got spacer. Put that on.
In
Is
the
that
back.
correct?
It goes in the back.
In the back.
Yeah.
With a washer that's concave. The point goes towards the engine. So the flat side's on the outside and the curved space goes towards the engine.
Try to tip it again.
It's pretty greasy.
There we go. Little baby ball berry. Go.
There was a cotter pin on the outside of this unit. We removed the cotter pin.
The oil pump.
Is it oil pump here?
Yeah.
And we have 3 screws here that we're using an impact wrench.
Need to use an impact because they're dimpled.
They're dimpled like a baby. So you have this plate that fits on one size. You have 3 screws to it. The screw closest to the bottom, the screw closest to the rear are the same size. The screw that goes on the top of the engine, like if your actual engine up, is the small one.
Smallest screw goes on the top of the engine.
Back and rear are the larger screws. Okay, so I removed a bolt from this location, which released this bolt. Let me pull the pump filter out.
Oil pump.
Well, this is the oil pump.
And now I believe you can just pull it out now.
Yeah, this is loose. The bearing just fell out.
What bearing?
This bearing in my hand.
Yeah. Yeah, you can just pull that all out, let the chain drop.
I just want to make sure I don't lose pieces. Okay, there's another roller bearing inside there. Okay, so let's detail this. So in here, I've got a main bearing here, roller bearing on, with another one of those.
Washers. Not
That's
directional.
not directional, yeah. What is this?
That's the secondary shaft.
Okay.
You can take this out. That just slides off.
I can't get it off of this angle here. Okay, the lip faces toward the chain.
Yeah. And this is the starter clutch, basically.
Was that stupid thing that always falls apart?
Yeah.
It strips.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, it's been sitting out.
Yeah, those wheels often you have to.
These things?
Yeah, these wheels you often have to replace the pieces in there.
Pry point, big screwdriver.
Oh yeah, separation anxiety. There's another one on the other side.
It comes right apart. It's like it wants to come. Was yours this easy?
Mine took a little more. There is one, I think there's another one over here. Maybe not.
Here.
Oh, dude.
Easy.
Pull it off. Just pull it off.
There's another one here.
Just pull it off. Rape it. Oh, yeah. It just comes right out.
The easiest and only easy thing to
Now,
figure out.
oh yeah, whoa, keep those there. Don't move
So
those.
they were sitting just like this, and they hooked into the.
I've read that some bikes actually do the direction a little bit different.
To get it at an angle like this, so you can see. They kind of hook. The back two hook forward, and this one kind of hooks back.
Oh, look at all this crud in here. Oh, yeah.
There's a reason why I did this. So then this all just lifts out.
Yeah. Move your hand. Let's just make sure we get a good look at everything.
How am I going to distinguish the two? This has a longer thread length, and that one goes forward more in the engine. Compare the two. This just fell out. I think this might have been right here.
Yep. That's exactly where it was.
I'm gonna put it back. Does that mean there are?
Yeah, they're on this side.
They're just on the bottom. They're not on the top side of the case. No,
They could. They definitely. No.
they're just on one side.
Shit. All right, yeah, we got loss of weight there in the back.
I removed this engine out of my Kawasaki 2 years ago, right? And I did it at John Troop's house in the Pomo, and it was there for a while. I pulled it to San Francisco, put it at my house for a while, and then drove it down in an Uber to work at 729 Tennessee. It was there for a while. I moved it back and forth my desk to a closet, and then eventually brought it up here, and it's been sitting here for 6 months, and now it's finally broke open. And I've never had the time to just do this. Voila.
Circlip.
That's like a popper. It's a big screwdriver.
That one's just gonna go aerial.
There we go. Fires out the back. We got another one down in there.
Oh, it's conchas underneath. That's the starter right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I didn't do it like this. I just left the starter all installed. Actually, this I think this pulls out.
Your way. These little things slide into grooves here and here. There was no cotter pin on this side of the engine, so I was able to just slide this out. There is one cotter pin on the like open gearbox side. I don't know what this would be called.
Shit.
That's the shifter. This is the shifter lever. So the shifter lever side is where the cotter pin is. And so I was able to slide this straight out.
Now the side of the
These
shaft.
two pins go into these grooves on the shaft.
Are those interchangeable?
Like, could I swap them?
Now we're working on the fork shift guide, and we've that had a lock washer on there. We bent back down, and we just take that off.
Did not feel very tight.
And on the other side, we've got this holds this ball in that holds the holds it all together. So that's gotta go. Whoa!
That one's a little tighter.
And that's it. That should go. Now this is an interesting assembly piece here, so I want to watch how this goes. Now there's like a.
Oh, there's a spring.
Yep, okay. Spring. And then a ball.
Spring in the center.
Yeah, okay, there it is. That's it. Yeah.
It's the ball.
Yeah.
So it's just like curved, and
Yep.
the bottom goes through, just like this. You seen that?
Mm-hmm. Your special circlip remover. The best tool ever made.
I've got a spring on the side.
Shorter side goes towards the front.
Yeah. That circlip. Heck.
You just let the tension off.
I gotta take the screw out.
Yeah.
I want to use your tool.
Yeah. I said it again.
Okay, so once I was able to release the tension, this thing just butterflied out. And it looks like I'm able to remove this shaft.
Oh, wait. Flip it. Flip it. Okay, that's alright. The star came off. We do need to take this off first. Directional?
Yeah, it's well, something about it. It's got a notch, so it's probably, you can't do it wrong.
Self-explanatory. Yeah, this cotter pin's got to come out. The shaft.
So, yeah, it's taller on the outer side.
Oh, yeah.
There I go. Hi, how are you?
What, two big...
Two large locating dowels. Right here.
Right side of the bike next to the giant bearing.
Yeah, right on the side of the bearing. FYI. Possible to get set again?
Yep, that's what I was thinking. I'll just pull the spring off.
Did you hold the engine? Direction? Yeah.
Circlip. Circlips a lot. Backside circlips a lot.
Oh gosh. There's a
spring-loaded bullshit.
Do you have a visual on that? See that?
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, those circles are different. The one on the inside is smaller.
One on the inside is smaller.
By like the hair of a goat.
Cap, spring. No.
It's called Breezy.
Okay. Nothing special going on there?
Yeah, it interlocks to these two.
Yeah.
Another circlips a lot. On the inside. You like circlips on this one? I don't know how this one relates to sizing. That one's the exact same size as the outer. So it would be like this: larger, larger, smaller. By just, I mean, like the.
They're probably
the difference.
They're probably the same.
Different. You feel it. Like the weight is just slightly different.
Okay. Good to know. Good to know.
So.
And then this is like a race in here.
So putting it back together. Circlips.
Yeah.
Probably should circle it all back together, huh?
Wouldn't be a bad idea.